Welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host. This is what I always say when you click on one of our videos. I want to finish this year with some greetings from my side. Let me say a few things concerning our channel. You've been probably recognizing that we had a few less videos than we publish usually on the channel. This had a few reasons because we have been restructuring, reorganizing, and also rearranging a few things in the background. But be sure that we come back, or we are coming back stronger than ever, including a completely new designed website with a special section for our community. So purpose is, of course, to gather you on our channel, to invite you to join our community and to be interactive with other colleagues that do the same. So this was the official announcement. Before telling you it's end of the year, I wish you, wherever you're watching this video, either Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, or all the best. Whatever you are celebrating, be peaceful, bring your family together, enjoy these moments, these special moments we always have end of the year. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all the best from our side, from the WatchAdvisor team, and of course, a wonderful and gorgeous 2025 to you. Lots of health, success, and everything else you ever wanted. Bye-bye, and remember the first things I said in the video. We're coming back stronger than ever, including a new website. Be very attentive to what we do. Come back as often as you can on our channel, and we will see each other again. Bye-bye from my side, all the best, and happy holidays.